Hi everyone, my name is Nobuko. I'd like to start to the Nobuko's kitchen. So today the menu is the pork braised menu. So like this. And I would like to use for to the rice cooker also. So let's start. Here we go. Okay, today's menu is the soy pork braised. So I'd like to introduce to the what items: pork, garlic, ginger, onion. This is a Japanese sake, soy sauce, and sugar. And today is a special point is we use for to the rice cooker. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's start. First is I put into the pork. Okay, next is I put into the ginger, garlic, and a sliced ginger. Last item is onion, Japanese onion. Okay, so I put into the water. Until the cover the pork. Okay, let's start the rice cooker switch on. Okay, alright, so let's open. Ooh. Okay, we take out to the onions. Ginger also. And this one also. Okay. All right. Garlic. So Japanese sake, soy sauce. And the last is the sugar. Okay. Okay, we back to pork. Okay, we close and turn on again. Alright, okay, that finished. Woo! Looks so yummy and very soft. Wow, looks so tasty. Very soft. Okay, wow, looks so yummy and very soft taste. Okay, today the menu is still the stew the pork. So let's enjoy for this cooking. See you next time. Bye bye.